Hi guys, welcome back to Super Hair Pieces. My voice is a little bit like going. We have a customer for a new installation. This is an M159 system. Is a lace with polyurethane at the from tempo to tempo and a skin in the front to make it look more natural.
I'm very happy. This is a good company all the time giving me opportunities to look on the videos and, reading the company profiles and with especially the people came in past and look those people, how look they nice, how they feel proud themselves. So it's really impressive to me to being here today. And they show me different kind of style and I bring my old style, which I show picture to staff in the beginning. And they say, yeah, no problem. We can prepare the way you want. The prepare you look better. So yeah, I already prefer my style.